The fabric seat covers can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. For more thorough cleaning, the seat covers can be removed and are machine washable. Please refer to the instruction manual for full washing instructions. Please carefully read and follow the instruction manual to correctly use the hifold and in order to find information on how to care for it and clean it and other accessories that may be available. The manual will also give you important information on what to do with your hifold in case it's been in a crash. The instruction manual is important. Please make sure you always store it in the instruction manual storage area located under the seat bottom cover. And don't forget, please register your hifold fit and fold booster seat with us. Although all child restraint systems undergo testing and evaluation, it is possible that a child restraint could be recalled. In case of a recall, we can only reach you if we have your name and address, so please do it now. Fill in the registration form that comes with your hifold or go online to www.myfold.com/register. This will put you on our recall list. Once registered, you should familiarise yourself with the product and the instruction manual. Take a few minutes to read the entire manual and look at all of the hifold parts. Refer to using the hifold in your vehicle. That's it! The hifold fit and fold booster seat is the most adjustable high back booster in the world. It has 243 individual settings and it folds down for easy storage and it's perfect for carrying from car to car. Now you're all ready to fit and fold. Thank you.